First meeting.
Hi there. Are you just moving in?
Oh, hello. Yes, we arrived this morning. It's been a busy day.
I don't think we've met. I'm David. I live just across the street.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria. This is my husband, Carlos, and our daughter, Lucy.
Welcome to the neighborhood. If you need anything, just ask. We're a friendly street.
Thank you so much. Everyone seems so welcoming. We're just unpacking now, but it's nice to meet new faces.
Moving can be exhausting. If you need help with anything, carrying boxes, finding the best coffee, just let me know.
That's so kind of you. We might need some coffee soon. Lucy loves hot chocolate, too.
There's a great cafe on the corner, The Daily Grind. They make the best lattes and hot chocolate in town.
That sounds perfect. We'll have to try it this weekend. Do you go there often?
Yes, I usually stop by on Saturday mornings. Sometimes a few of us neighbors meet there to chat.
That sounds lovely. We're looking forward to exploring the area. Is there a park nearby for Lucy?
Absolutely! Greenleaf Park is just down the street. Lots of kids play there after school.
Lucy will love that. She's been asking about making new friends.
She'll fit right in. We have a block party every summer. It's a great way to meet everyone.
That sounds wonderful. We've never lived somewhere with so many friendly neighbors.
We're glad you're here. If you need recommendations for grocery stores or doctors, just ask.
Thank you, David. We appreciate it. It's a lot to take in, but we're excited.
Moving is always an adventure. If you need to borrow any tools or need a hand, just knock on my door.
That's so generous. We'll definitely stop by if we need anything.
It's no trouble at all. We all help each other out around here.
That's great to hear. I think we're going to like it here.
If you'd like, I can introduce you to some of the other neighbors later this week.
That would be wonderful. It's always nice to meet new people.
Well, I should let you get back to unpacking, but if you need a break, come by for coffee anytime.
Thank you, David. We'll take you up on that soon. Have a great day.
You too, Maria. Welcome again to the neighborhood.
Short, friendly intro. Names exchanged. Remember, smile, say hi, share your name. A warm welcome makes all the difference. Where do you live?
Hi, Maria. Which house did you move into?
Hi, David. We're in the yellow house just across the street from you.
Oh, that's a great spot. I live in the blue house with the big oak tree in front.
I noticed that tree. It's beautiful. Our house has a small garden in the front.
It's nice to have a garden. Do you like plants?
Yes, I love flowers. I hope to plant some roses soon.
That sounds wonderful. If you need gardening tools, just let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind. Is your house the one with the blue door?
Yes, that's mine. It's easy to find because of the oak tree and the blue door.
I'll remember that. Sometimes I get lost in new places.
It takes time to learn. I used to forget which street was which when I moved here.
Do you have any tips for remembering street names?
I like to use landmarks. For example, the red mailbox is on Oak Street, and the park is next to Maple Avenue.
That's a good idea. I'll look for the red mailbox next time.
If you ever need directions, just ask anyone. People here are happy to help.
Thank you. Everyone seems so friendly here. Is it a safe neighborhood?
Yes, it's very safe. Families walk around even in the evenings. We all look out for each other.
That's wonderful to hear. I'm glad we moved here.
If you ever need anything, just knock on my door. We're all neighbors here.
Thank you, David. I'll remember that. It's nice to feel welcome.
Tip: when talking about where you live, use simple phrases like, I'm in the yellow house, or my apartment is on the second floor. Landmarks help others remember.
Practice point to your home, describe it, and ask others about theirs. This builds connections and makes it easier to remember names and places.
So which house is yours? Remember to ask and answer with a smile.
Next, let's talk about places in the neighborhood, cafes, parks, and shops you can visit. What's good in the hood? Let's talk about places in your neighborhood.
Have you had a chance to explore the area yet? There are so many places to discover.
Not really. I've been busy unpacking, but I'd love to know what's around here.
You should try the Daily Grind Cafe. It's just 2 blocks down. They have amazing lattes and fresh pastries.
That sounds perfect. I love coffee. Is it busy in the mornings?
It gets busy on weekends, but weekdays are quiet. The staff are really friendly too.
I'll have to stop by. Are there any good places for lunch?
Yes, there's a small Italian restaurant called Bella's on Main Street. Their pasta is delicious.
Thanks for the tip. I love Italian food. Is there a park nearby for kids?
Greenleaf Park is just a few minutes away. It has a playground, walking paths, and lots of trees.
That's great! My daughter loves swings and slides. Is it safe to walk there?
Yes, it's very safe. Lots of families go there after school. You'll see neighbors walking their dogs too.
I'd like to check it out. Could you show me how to get there?
Sure. Go straight down Oak Street. Turn right at the grocery store, and you'll see the park on your left.
Thank you. I'm still learning my way around. What's the best way to remember street names?
I like to use landmarks, like the red post office or the big oak tree. It makes it easier to remember.
That's a good idea. I'll look for the oak tree next time.
If you ever get lost, just ask someone. People here are happy to help.
That's reassuring. I'll try to remember that. Do you have a favorite place in the neighborhood?
I really like the Saturday farmers market at the community center. There's fresh fruit, bread, and live music.
That sounds fun. I love markets. What time does it start?
It starts at 9 a.m. and goes until noon. It's a great way to meet people and try local food.
I'll definitely check it out. Have you ever had a memorable experience at a local place?
Yes! Last year, I met my neighbors at the park's summer picnic. We played games and shared food. It was a wonderful day.
That sounds amazing. I hope to join next time.
You're always welcome. If you need recommendations for anything, grocery stores, pharmacies, Oregon, even a good haircut, just ask.
Thank you. I'll probably have lots of questions. Everyone here seems so friendly.
That's what makes this neighborhood special. We look out for each other.
When talking about local places, use phrases like, there's a great cafe nearby, or the park is just down the street. Ask questions like, what's your favorite place, or how do I get there? Sample questions, is there a good restaurant nearby? Where can I buy groceries? How do I get to the park? Practice answering with simple directions and recommendations. Remember, sharing experiences and recommendations helps build friendships. Don't be afraid to ask or offer suggestions. Next, we'll talk about daily routines and how to discuss work or hobbies with your neighbors. What do you do all day? Let's talk about daily routines, work, and hobbies.
Good morning, Maria. What's your typical day like?
Hi, David. I start a new job on Monday. I'm a graphic designer. I work downtown.
That's exciting. Do you work in an office or from home?
I go to an office most days, but sometimes I work from home. I like the flexibility.
That sounds great. I work at the local bookshop. I open the store in the mornings and help customers find books.
I love books. Do you read a lot in your free time?
Yes, I enjoy reading mysteries and cooking books. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
I like gardening and painting. I also enjoy cooking with my family on weekends.
That's wonderful. I play basketball at the park on Saturdays. It's a fun way to meet neighbors.
That sounds fun. Maybe I can join you sometime. I used to play volleyball with friends.
Of course, sports are a great way to relax after work. What time do you usually finish your day?
I usually finish around 5 p.m. Then I pick up Lucy from school and we go to the park or play at home.
That sounds like a nice routine. I walk my dog in the evenings and sometimes meet friends for coffee.
I like to relax with music or watch a movie after dinner. What about you?
I enjoy cooking dinner and sometimes play guitar. It's a good way to unwind.
It's nice to have hobbies. Lucy loves drawing and riding her bike.
It's great to share hobbies with family. Sometimes we bake cookies together on weekends.
That sounds delicious. Maybe we can bake together sometime.
I would like that. It's nice to learn about each other's routines and interests.
Tip: to talk about your routine, use phrases like, I wake up at 7, I go to work, or I relax in the evening. Ask others, what do you do for work? Or what are your hobbies? Sample questions. What time do you start work? Do you work from home? What do you like to do after work? Do you have any hobbies? Remember, sharing your daily routine and asking about others helps build friendships. Be curious and friendly. Next, let's see how to offer help to your neighbors and make new friends. Offering help.
Hi, Maria. Need a hand with those boxes? Moving can be tough.
Hi, David. Yes, that would be wonderful. There are so many boxes and I'm not sure where to start.
No worries. Let me grab an extra dolly from my garage. It makes moving heavy things much easier.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Would you like some water or lemonade?
That sounds great. It's important to stay hydrated on moving day. You look like you have a lot to do.
Yes, I'm a bit overwhelmed.
If you need to borrow any tools, just ask. I have a ladder, hammer, and even a power drill.
That's so kind. I actually need to hang some pictures. Could I borrow your hammer later?
Of course. I'll bring it over this afternoon. Just let me know if you need anything else. I'm good with tools. Want an extra pair of hands this weekend?
Wow, thank you. I might take you up on that.
My wife, Sarah, loves to bake. She'll bring over some cookies later. It's our way of welcoming new neighbors.
That's so sweet. Lucy loves cookies. Please thank her for us.
Anytime. If you ever need someone to watch Lucy for an hour or two, just let us know. Our daughter Emma loves having play dates.
That would be wonderful. Sometimes it's hard to get things done with a little one around.
We're happy to help. That's what neighbors are for.
Specific offers are easier to accept.
Here are some useful phrases. Can I help you with that? Do you need anything from the store? Would you like me to watch the kids for a bit?
And to accept help, you can say, "Thank you, that would be great," or "I appreciate it, yes, please. I'll make us some coffee. Thank you so much."
Coffee sounds perfect. It's nice to take a break and chat.
I'm glad we moved here. Everyone is so friendly and helpful.
No problem. Happy to help. Remember, offering help can be as simple as saying, "Let me know if you need anything," or "I'm just next door if you need a hand."
Make offers specific. Offer a time or task. Practice. Try offering help to a neighbor. Say, "Can I help you with your groceries?" or "Would you like me to water your plants while you're away?" Remember, small acts of kindness make a big difference. Offer help, accept help, and build stronger neighborhoods.
It's been great talking with you, Maria. I hope you're settling in well.
Thank you, David. We really appreciate all your help. It's nice to feel so welcome.
If you ever need anything, just send me a message. Here, let me give you my number.
That would be great. Here's mine as well. Now we can stay in touch.
By the way, we're having a neighborhood barbecue next Saturday. You and your family are invited.
That sounds wonderful. We'd love to come. Lucy will be so excited to meet other kids.
Great. It's a potluck, so feel free to bring something to share. It's a fun way to meet everyone.
I'll bring my homemade cookies. They're Lucy's favorite.
That sounds delicious. Everyone will love them. It's nice to have new friends in the neighborhood.
We're really looking forward to it. Thank you again for making us feel at home.
Well, I should get going. Let you get back to unpacking.
Yes, we still have a few boxes left, but it was so nice to talk with you.
If you need a break, just come over for coffee or tea anytime.
Yes, thanks again, David. Have a great day.
You too, Maria. Enjoy your new home. Maybe see you at the Daily Grind sometime.
I'll look out for you there. Maybe we can have coffee together next week.
That sounds like a plan. Just text me when you're free.
I'll look out for you. See you soon.
See you soon, Maria. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, David. Thanks for everything.
A warm goodbye leaves the door open. Tip: when ending a conversation, use phrases like, "It was nice talking with you," "Let's meet again soon," or "Keep in touch." Smile and wave to show friendliness. Practice: invite someone to meet again, exchange contact information. Oregon: suggest a future activity. This builds friendships and makes goodbyes warmer. Remember, a friendly goodbye can lead to a new friendship. Don't be afraid to reach out and make plans. Sample phrases: "See you soon. Let's catch up next week. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your day." You've seen 6 simple chapters. Greet, ask where they live, introduce local spots, talk about work and hobbies, offer help, and say a friendly goodbye. Use these lines to start a friendly neighborhood. Remember, every conversation is a chance to make a new friend. Smile, be polite, and enjoy your new community.